Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to cover paired sample t-test. We are going to understand why this one of the most important hypothesis and how we can use this hypothesis in real use cases, in real scenarios. So without any further delay, let's get started. So in paired sample t-test, we are saying that data related to parameters is captured twice from the same subject. So the subject remains the same before and after the intervention. Now, what can be the intervention? For example, body weight of people before and after attending a yoga program. Similarly, cholesterol level before and after attending meditation training, right? To understand the significance of this test more, let's take one more example. Let's say health drink claims that if children are taking our health drink, they are going to grow taller as compared to those who are not taking our health drink. Now, there are two ways to check this claim. One, you can create two independent samples. We can have two independent samples, and in each sample, we can have 100 students. And we are giving health drink to one of these sample, and we are not giving health drink to the other sample, and then we can see what is the difference between the growth rate. If the growth rate of the students who are taking the health drink is significantly higher as compared to the other, can we say that yes, the health drink is helping? Let's say those students who are taking the health drink, I give you one more information. Their parents' average height is 6.5 feet. 6.5 feet average height. Their parents' average height is 6.5 feet of the students who are taking the health drink. Then can we say that they are growing taller because of the health drink? We can, right? That's why when we are doing these kind of studies, paired sample data can literally give us the truth. So if we are keeping our sample size same, first we are choosing 100 students randomly or 100 children randomly. We're not giving any sort of a health drink. Then we have made an intervention. For example, we have started giving them a health drink, and then we are seeing what is their keeping all the other things consistent. For example, their physical activity is consistent, other nutrition is also consistent, then we can definitely say if there's a significant rise once they've started taking the health drink, we can definitely say that yes, is because of the health, right? In these kinds of scenarios, paired sample t-test can literally help us in checking the validity of. And how we can do that? We can say that mu d is the mean difference in the parameter value before and after the treatment. D is the difference, right? Hypothesize mean difference. And we say that generally there is not much change. Even if you take health drink, there is not much change in the rate of growth. Or if you attend a yoga training program, there's not going to be much change in the body weight, right? So hypothesis difference is always going to be zero. And SD is the standard deviation of the difference which is before and after, and N is the sample size. So that's why paired sample t-test is very, very important. In the next video, we are also going to cover an example in which you can learn on how to establish the hypothesis and how to leverage this tech to either accept the null hypothesis or reject it. That's all in this video. Hope you liked it. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Till then, happy.